Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. And this video, it's gonna be a video about exploring the applications on your iPhone, and I would like to show you the way how to activate the iMessage on your iPhone. So basically, iMessage application is an application to send a message from one iPhone to another iPhone with a lot of features that you can explore and use on it. And now to activate the iMessage, you just need to go click the settings and just scrolling down until you found the messages right here, and then you just need to go click it. To activate the iMessage, you just need to take a look on this part and turn this button on by click it until the color is changed become green. And now whenever you already activated, now you just need to go back and your iMessage is already active on your iPhone. So that is the way how to activate the iMessage. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.